Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a Boo Halloween garland. So I grabbed this garland. It's a pom-pom garland from Dollar General. It was only $1. They come in black and white and black and orange, but we're going to use the black and white one for this. The Boo wood cutouts from Dollar Tree. Some of the ghost cutouts from Dollar Tree, the wooden ones. Some ribbon of your choice. And I just used some black and white polka dot. And then I got this ghost paper at Joann's. You'll need some white acrylic paint. I didn't end up using the black, and you'll need some Mod Podge. So the first thing I did was paint my ghosts and the Boo cutout all white. Once I had them all painted, I set the ghosts aside for now. And I'm going to take my Boo cutout and I'm going to lay it on the scrapbook paper and trace it out. Then I'm going to cut it out. For the centers of the letters, I used a razor blade to make sure that I got a really good cut on the scrapbook paper and made sure that it was cut out really well. Once I had it all cut out, I Mod Podged it onto the cutout. And it fit absolutely perfectly, especially using the razor blade. That really helped. Once I had it on there, whatever excess I did have, I just used a nail file to sand off the edges that were a little bit extra. Once I had that all cleaned up, it's time to start attaching the ghost. So I just used a small piece of ribbon, and every 2 pom-poms, I added a ghost. I did 2 ghosts, then the Boo sign, and then another 2 ghosts. So at the end of the garland, there is 2 pom-poms, then a ghost, then 2 pom-poms, then a ghost, then 2 pom-poms, the Boo, 2 pom-poms, a ghost, 2 pom-poms, a ghost, and then 2 pom-poms. And they are all attached just using the ribbon tied in little bows right on the string of the garland. For the Boo, there is no cutout or hole for a string to go through, so I cut the ribbon in half to fit better in the opening of the O in Boo. And I just continued to attach these until my garland was done. And then once I had all of them attached, I reorganized all of the little pom-poms to make them all even. And that is it. You have a super cute little Boo garland. I love the way this turned out. It's super cute. And for anyone who likes that black and white look for Halloween, this is perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.